Capricorn, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is a weekly reading from 25th to 31st of May 2020. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for your liking, subscribing, sharing, and thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, so many good vibes from me to you guys. And yeah, if you guys are wondering that which deck I'm using, so this is the Good Tarot deck I'm using right now. Okay, I hope you can see this, the Good Tarot deck. So let's start your reading, Capricorn. This is for the Capricorn people for the last week of May 2020. Yeah, Capricorn, Cappy, you guys are amazing. You guys are like amazing. Okay, Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Some of you are dealing with a fire sign. They want to come towards you for that intimacy, for that passionate level love. Five of Wands, Eight of Swords, Magician, Three of Pentacles, Seven of Cups right in the heart of your spread, Eight of Pentacles, Six of Cups, Five of Pentacles, Five of Swords. Okay, so fives are here, so definitely it is a big change for you, Capricorn. I'm feeling that this person is little bit in and out of your life, going in and out of from your life, and they are not serious about anything. So yeah, Capricorn, I was telling you that definitely the person was not living for like near you. They are living far away from you. That's why they are, I'm feeling that they were on the travel when they met you. Yeah. Okay, with the 555 in your reading are telling me that it is a big change you're going through, and I'm feeling that you are manifesting this change for yourself because you were like fed up from the past, because the past was very stuck. Yeah, the past was stuck, full of stuckness. Five of Wands, Eight of Swords, and the Magician. I'm feeling that you are trying to manifest this connection, but the other person and the other people surrounding both of you, they were not happy for this connection, for this union. I'm feeling that the person you are feeling any bond or any connection, they have some people around them who are conflicting their decision, who are conflicting their mind. That's why they are feeling very stuck. But you are trying to manifest your happiness, abundance, prosperity, pentacles, money, which is great. Three of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, and the Eight of Pentacles. This is your energy. You are, I'm feeling that this is you have so many things on your plate right now, and first of your priority is money, first of all. Yeah, Capricorn. Yeah, and because you want stability, you are feeling very happy when you were stable. Okay, so that's why you want stability, and then a love connection, definitely. So that's why you are working hard to get yourself stable, because I'm feeling that in the past there was not enough money with the Five of Pentacles. Yeah, not enough money, and that's why you want to overcome that situation of yours, and you want money, stability, Pentacles. And I'm feeling that you are trying your different ideas with the Seven of Cups to make that work, to make that project work or that business work. Yeah, Six of Cups, Five of Pentacles, and the Five of Swords. You are little bit in your back of the mind, you are missing that person very little, but you know what, they are feeling sad. They are also missing you because you are not with them. That's why they are feeling alone, and they're also thinking that they had manipulated you in the past a lot, so much. Yeah, that's why they are crying over spilled milk. That card is not here, but Six of Cups is after the Five of Cups, so that's why they had that experience, and now they're missing you. They're missing that good time with you. Capricorn. Why is this Knight of Wands is here? Four of Wands. Wow. Okay. Emperor. Seven of Pentacles. Okay. So for some of you, here is the Five of Cups. Yeah. Definitely they are feeling crying. They are feeling sad. They are feeling like they had missed an opportunity with you. They are crying over spilt milk. Okay. I'm feeling that the person was your twin flame, or you think that they were your twin flame, but they were very in their head space. They were very ego like person. They have a big ego. They don't want to compromise their ego for the love. Yeah, this is the past person I'm talking about. And you know what, you have invested a lot of time, effort and energy of yours, and when Capricorn invested in something, they are like serious, very serious. They want to get that SHIT for them 100%. But this person is out of control. They were very sneaky, nasty, like every bad energy I want to associate with this person. They have wasted your time, your effort, your energy, because the time is the most precious thing in the world. Most precious thing, time. They have wasted your time, and they had make you stuck with them. I'm feeling that they know that you are a great manifester. With this Magician card, they know that, and they don't want you to be the best person except of them. They want to be the best person, not you. So that's why they had made you stuck in their loop, and you don't want that. But at the same time, you feel a very beautiful, strong connection with them, but they were just energy taker. Eight of Swords for the Capricorn, please. Why is the Eight of Swords here? Four of Swords, healing from that stuckness. Ten of Pentacles, definitely. Ace of Wands, beautiful. Six of Wands, but definitely you're winning the situation. You are healing from that past situation, from that stuckness. You are moving towards your stability. This is the reward of your patience, your hard work you have done in that situation of the past. And new beginnings are also for you. Definitely new offers are on your radar. So just be in the receiving mode, be in the receiving energy, and be open to every beautiful, abundant thing. Okay, so why is the Seven of Cups are here in the heart of the spread for the Capricorn? Four of Cups. Okay, Six of Pentacles, Six of Wands. Yeah, this Six of Wands wants to come out. Okay. So right now you are using your ideas to get stability, to get money, to grow your work, business. And I'm feeling that there is a love offer in front of you, or in anywhere around your circle, around your bubble, but you are not paying attention towards them, towards that offer, and you are just want to have that balance and victory in your money life. Yeah, there is an offer. So if there is an offer, just pay attention, give it a try. Yeah, give it a try. Six of Cups, Chariot, Cancer, Six of Swords, Hierophant, Taurus. Okay, so Cancer is your natural 7th house. Okay, and Cancer loves to be at home, to stay at home. So right now we are all at homes, and we're enjoying that time. But I'm feeling that this is the person who is at home and missing you very emotionally. They are missing you. They want to come towards you, because we have Chariot here and we have Six of Swords here. So definitely they want to come forward to you. If this is the past life soulmate, like this must be a past life soulmate you have never met in this lifetime, this person, but this also be the past person of this lifetime. For some of you, it is a new person. They want to come forward to you. They are missing you. They want to move things swiftly forward with you. They want commitment in the back of their mind, but you don't know about it because you have your convert your attention or divert your attention towards the money and work. Why is the Five of Swords are here for the Cappies? Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, you were nurturing them a lot. Judgment. Wow, Wheel of Fortune. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm feeling that this is the destined person who is coming your way back again. I'm feeling that this is the opportunity they have given from the universe. Yeah, universe has given them another chance to meet up with you, to have that reconciliation with you, because this is Judgment and this is you. They want reconciliation with you, and but you are getting your stability, your abundance with this Wheel of Fortune card, and wheel is running in your favor. If this is the person for you, they will come for you. I'm feeling that you are now in the higher vibration energy, so that's why you don't have any things in your heart, like you have forget and forgive them. You have ended that thing with them a long time ago. That's why you don't give a damn if they are coming back or not. Yeah, but they are coming back. Yeah, they are coming back, Capricorn. So this is a have for you, Capricorn. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.